my name is Paul Kübler. I'm the Managing Director of BISAF Ltd. And we have been developing diesel particulate filter for 6 years now in support of construction companies who work in tunnels, basements and other confined spaces to keep their operators safe.
You will be exposed to diesel fumes if you are working in tunnels or on construction sites where diesel-operated equipment is being used. There is evidence that repeated exposure to diesel fumes over a prolonged period does increase the risk of lung cancer. Protecting your workforce and providing a clean air environment will help to reduce or avoid future claims against your organisation that are related to breathing in of diesel-generated particles.
So all the advice is to minimise your exposure to diesel particulate exhaust, so working in a confined space with a diesel engine is particularly dangerous to health.
Fortunately, there's a technically proven solution that virtually eliminates diesel particulate from exhaust fumes. This is the diesel particulate filter that has been fitted as standard on new cars and trucks in Europe for some years. The technology is known as a wall flow filter, and this is placed in the exhaust system and filters out the particles through thousands of tiny channels that run the length of the filter.
So this is the particle filter that's connected to a small excavator, and we're just going to have a quick visual demonstration of how effective the filter actually is by holding this white cloth over the filter, the outlet of the filter, and then we'll disconnect the particle filter and hold the same cloth over the exhaust from the unfiltered engine. And now we've disconnected the filter and we'll perform the same test on the diesel exhaust straight from the engine. At the end of the day, to regenerate the filter, you plug it into the power supply, press a button, and it goes through its regeneration cycle, switches off automatically, and so it's ready for the next day's work.
We have been conducting a lot of research and product development. And the solution we are presenting now incorporates a filter that is widely used by the automotive industry and complies with the toughest standards. Ease of maintenance and simple operation were in the forefront of our mind when we developed our latest model.
My name is Chris. I'm working for a basement company. We are now in the center of London. We are using tools such as conveyor belts, also digger machine with the particle filter. Before it was really terrible. We have problems with the headaches and we always feel sick. I think what digger machine with the particle filter is really good thing, and I just couldn't imagine to dig the basement without the digger machine with the filter.